just going to run through the transponder bypass kits. So these are the old school ones. If there's not a digital bypass kit available, and I've got a video about that which I will leave in the link, then sometimes you just have to do the transponder bypass the old-fashioned way. So how this works, this box gets hidden in the car. In here, this is your bypass module. The key goes inside the coil there. There's a transponder chip in the key. When the remote activates, this coil goes live. It shows the key to the car. The vehicle starts. Now, what I don't like doing, I don't like leaving a whole key in the car, so I would either take the shell apart, cut the blade off, that way there's no working key, or, better still, just put a transponder chip inside the box. And quite often, I can use my my X-Force tool here, and I can clone the transponder chip. Not on all cars, but on some, so that's quite a nice option. There's also the version for your smart key. So this one's the 1101T. Works in a similar way, apart from the battery gets taken out of the smart key. This gets fitted in where the battery goes, and the battery is effectively out of the smart key for the entire time until such a stage it needs to do a remote start. Then this joins the battery, powers the remote up just while the remote starts activating, and it's a solution. Anyway, I keep all these options in stock to make my life as an installer a bit quicker and easier. For more information on remote engine starts or transponder bypass, check out vehiclesecurity.co.nz.